Let's have a look at how to write in Canva. I will first show you how to do this on a desktop device, and then we will also have a look on how to do this on the Canva mobile app. So let's jump on in. On our desktop device, the first thing we're gonna do is to create a design. To do so, we click on Create a Design in the upper left corner of the screen. We then make sure to set the dimensions right here. And once that is set, we click here on where it says Create New Design. We now have a blank Canva project in front of us. Now to actually write some text in Canva, there are two different ways to do it. The easiest way to do so is to actually press T on your keyboard, and this will immediately add a text box to your project. You can then simply type on your keyboard to write the text. The second method to write text in Canva is to click on text here in the left sidebar. And you can then simply click on add a text box just right here. And once again, you will see that you now have a text box in your Canva project. Instead of clicking on add a text box right here, you can also scroll down here and choose one of these nice font combinations right here. To insert them into your design, all you need to do is to click on it. Now, whenever you have text in your design, you can obviously still change the font. It's actually very easy. Just make sure to left click on your text, and on top here under font, you can easily adjust the font. Now let us have a look on how this works on the Canva mobile app. First tap on the Canva app to open it up. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a new project. Then we tap on this icon right here to create a custom sized project. And let's just use 1024 by 1024 pixels for our project. So I'll simply tap here. Now with one finger from the top right here, actually swipe this down so that you can see your blank project. To add some text to our project now, at the bottom, we will simply tap on text. And then we tap on add a text box on top. You can now type the desired text on your mobile phone's keyboard. And this is how you write text on the Canva mobile app. If you would like to adjust the font of your text, simply tap on it. And then at the bottom, tap on font. Then tap on the up arrow right here to see a list with all fonts. Then just double tap on the font that you would like to use in your design. We have now successfully changed the font of our text here to the new Sticks to Math regular font. And that's it guys, this is how you write text in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye!